Hello guys, this is the Pokemon Collector here, Korean Pokemon Cards. This is another Korean Pokemon Cards YouTube exclusive. This won't be shown on my Pokemon Collector account. So here we go, so I've already slipped the top off. So we have the card you get with them. Hopefully we'll get a box of these, and how Blizzard. I have a lot of the cards from these sets, but it'd be nice to get a box as well. So we have a Timber, Swallow, I think, Lixil. Oh, so it is the one in the back, Minchino Hollow, and a Starmie. So let me sleeve that. Didn't expect to put a hollow. It's nice. Check my Korean binder. I'm not too sure if I have that or not. Do I have that? No, I don't have this one. So that's nice. A hollow that I don't have. Just pulled. Not bad. So that was nice. Sealed pack. So see you later, guys. Stay tuned.